AWS Identity and Access Management (IAM) users and groups are essential for organizing access and controlling who can interact with your cloud resources. This lesson will walk you through both the concept and the practical steps for creating IAM users and grouping them for efficient permission management. An IAM user represents a specific identity that can perform actions in AWS. This could be a data analyst, an engineer, or an administrator who needs access to AWS services. Each user can be configured with login credentials and assigned relevant permissions. Instead of assigning policies to every user manually, AWS recommends using IAM groups. A group allows you to bundle permissions and apply them to multiple users at once. In our example, we'll be creating a group for the data team. This could include access to services like Amazon S3, Athena, Redshift, or QuickSight, depending on your use case. Let's get started in the AWS Management Console.